Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I'm going to point here to a website, an AMD website for chipset drivers. AMD has released a set of chipset drivers for its Ryzen CPUs. Some people are complaining of various issues. One that was the most annoying for some was apparently a message that was saying something like, the chipset is not responding or something like that. So a lot of users have been kind of a little annoyed at what's happening with their AMD machines lately. So this is the page. It has the release notes for the latest drivers for Ryzen CPUs. Now, if you're not sure if you are in the compatibility of this download, if you download it actually and click on it, if your computer's CPU and chipset is not compatible, it won't install. It's just going to tell you, no, this is not for your machine. But if it's for a pretty big range of AMD processors, both for Windows 10 and Windows 11, and both for desktop and mobile series support. So check it out. And if you're not really sure, like I said, just down the page here, you have AMD Ryzen chipset drivers for Windows 10, Windows 11. So the link to this page will be in the description below. You just click here and then you double click to install. It will ask you after that to restart your machines. So if you have an AMD machine and there are some weird issues with it, or there are things that you're not sure are working well, try updating the chipset drivers on the machine, and you'll see it actually might change or add things to your device manager at the same time. So this is something that might actually fix a lot of problems. Also remember, there's the stuttering issue that some AMD chipsets with FTPM had. Most are fixed, but sometimes what you need to do is you need to go to your manufacturer's website and get the latest firmware update for your UEFI firmware on your machine. So that might not be an automatic process for everybody. So check it out, and if you have an AMD machine, this latest chipset does fix a lot of little bugs and problems that people have been having, and it probably doesn't hurt anyways to install it, even if you don't see any problems on your machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.